So the next thing that we're launching is Coinpay. So Coinpay actually works right now. Still doing a little bit more testing, working on a few more things. So any member of BitClub Network will be able to sign up any business anywhere in the world to help them to accept Bitcoin and Clubcoin, which is our own cryptocurrency, which we'll talk about in just a minute. If they don't want the Clubcoin or they don't want the Bitcoin, it's okay. We can get it changed into whatever fiat currency, ringgit, USD, euros, whatever, and get that in their bank account. So no one has to worry about keeping the coins. If they don't want the coins, they want the cash, that's fine, no problem. So in here you can see like a profile, sub-users. So in other words, like a sub-user, when I was in Vietnam, I talked to the largest taxi cab company in Vietnam. They got 15,000 taxis, 30,000 drivers. And so with this platform, the taxi cab company could set up a Coinpay account, have all of their drivers set up their own sub-accounts, so that way it can all come in to pay the taxi cab company, but each driver won't have access to the whole company's money. It'll be separated. And so it does everything. 30 years ago, there were very few places that actually accepted Visa and Mastercard. Now everywhere accepts Visa and Mastercard. There's 3 big platforms right now that are like this. You got BitPay, Coinbase, GoCoin. Those are the 3 big ones. And then you have, I don't know, probably 10 more that are littler ones that are just country specific. So we'll be worldwide, and imagine what it would take to get 30,000 sales reps. How much would that cost you to go out signing up businesses for your platform? Nobody can afford that. BitClub Network has it built in, and people are incentivized to go and do this. So we literally, with BitClub Network, can become the next Visa or MasterCard. This can be that type of business. And just so you guys know, we're going to have 1 billion shares of Coinpay, and 15% of Coinpay is going to be giving out, so every single member of BitClub Network will be getting shares of Coinpay. So every single person will be part owner of Coinpay. Even if somebody joined the very first day that BitClub Network started, you will get shares. Most people are not, well, nobody's expecting it, but everybody's going to get it. And so this is working right now. It's not something where it's like 6 more months to come. It's actually working. We're going to start getting businesses on it and using it here very, very, very quickly. Okay, so we're also building in an advertising platform to this as well. So that way when you go to a business and they go, oh yeah, I'm already accepting Bitcoin, I use this company. Say, okay, well, how many customers does that company get you? They go, well, they don't give me any customers. They don't do that. They just have a platform for me to accept Bitcoin. So, okay, well, we have the platform, but we also have, and if you count in our free members also, we have over 100,000 people in BitClub Network right now. So we can say we have, over 100,000 people that we'll let you advertise to for no money. You advertise for free. We'll bring you new customers. So would you rather have a Bitcoin platform to accept payments but get nothing, or this one where we'll charge you the same thing, you'll still be able to do everything the same, and we'll bring you new customers? Of course you're going to want this one. So all we're going to ask them is that they please give our members a discount. If our members come in to buy a pizza, give them a free Coke. If they bring you 5 shirts to dry clean, then pay for 4, give them 1 free. Just little things like that. Now, it might seem like a very small thing, but if you think about 4 get 1 free, that's 20%. So if we go to Bittrex real quick, so on Bittrex you can buy and sell Clubcoin right now. Actually, there's lots of different cryptocurrencies on there. And their fee is 0.25%. So if you want to change $100 worth of Bitcoin into $100 worth of Clubcoin, the fee is 0.25%. It'll cost you 25 cents. So $100 of Bitcoin into $100 of Clubcoin. It'll cost you 25 cents. Nothing. But then if you could end up saving between 5% and 20% on $100, that's $5 to $20. Would you do that? Absolutely. Well, what if we had a database of Coinpay where we had 5,000 businesses, 10,000, 20,000, 50,000 businesses that you could search, so anything you wanted to buy, whether it's a cell phone, plane ticket, whatever, where you can get the best discount. And it's only if you pay with Clubcoin. Because when these businesses go, okay, well, how do we know it's your members that we're giving a discount to? Our members pay with Clubcoin. Okay, but what if I don't want the Clubcoin? No problem. We can have it changed into Bitcoin instantaneously. And then we can have the Bitcoin changed into ringgit, dollars, whatever, instantly. So people get the customers, but they don't have to keep the coins if they don't want to.